Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen efficiency with the extra-large cutting boards set from Empune, designed to elevate your culinary experience with 4 different sizes tailored for various food types, ensuring you can tackle multiple meals or all-day cooking with ease. Crafted from high-density plastic, these cutting boards boast exceptional durability, resisting stains and enduring heavy chopping, cutting, and dicing without a hitch. Each board features a built-in juice groove along the edges, expertly catching liquids to keep your countertops pristine, while the TPR edge handles provide a firm grip, making food preparation a breeze and storage convenient. Cleaning is a snap, as these boards are dishwasher safe, or you can simply rinse them with warm water for a quick refresh. With their practical design and versatile sizes, these cutting boards make an ideal gift for moms, friends, or neighbors, perfect for occasions like Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or birthdays. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these cutting boards are a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal, combining functionality and style in one fantastic package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.